Okay, so the first thing to do is plot and label each number on the same number line. So I'm just going to do a number line. Oops, need a pen. I'm just going to do a number line right here. Okay, here's 0. 1, 2, that's going to be my -2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Sorry, I went completely out of order, but I don't know, I saw 2 first. And then 2 and 1/2 is 1, 2, 1/2. That's going to be 2, 1/2 right here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 right here is going to be our 3 and 1/2. -3 and 1/2. Okay, got it. So, we are on lesson 4.1, a new chapter. Can't believe it. We are just moving on up. Okay, writing and graphing inequalities. Write that at the top of your composition notebook. And the essential question is, how can you use a number line to represent solutions of an inequality? Write that down. So now these problems say, write an inequality for the graph. Then, in words, describe all of the values of x that make the inequality true. Okay, so for the first graph, we have that x is greater than or equal to, because the dot is filled in, -1. And then in words, you can write this because I don't have enough room to write it, but describe all the values of x that make the inequality true. So you would just write x can be any number greater than or equal to -1. Okay? And then for the next one, we have x is less than, and it's equal to, because the dot is filled in, 2. So you would say x can be any number less than or equal to 2. And then for 3, we have x is greater than, but no line because the hole isn't filled in, 4. Oh, greater than, wrote that wrong. So x is, I said it, just wrote it backwards, is going to be greater than 4. So any number greater than 4. Okay. The number q plus, so q plus 5 is greater than or equal to -7.9. Oops, that 9 looks ridiculous. Okay, kind of just gonna leave it, but okay. So, write this word sentence as an inequality. Okay, just did that. So, moving on. Okay, write the word sentence as an inequality. Okay, so a number x is at most -10. So, x is going to be anything less than or equal to -10. Because it's at most going to be -10, but it can be anything less than -10 then. So I said it's less than or equal to. And then twice a number y is more than, so 2y is more than -5/2. Seems pretty legit. Let's keep going. So tell whether -2 is a solution of each inequality. So to tell that, you would just plug in -2 wherever you see a y. So -2 minus 5, that's going to give us -7. Is -7 greater than or equal to -6? That's false, so that's not a solution. Not a solution because -7 is less than -6. And then so -5.5 times -2 is less than 14. So 5.5 times -2 is going to give us 11, is less than 14, and that is true. So -2 is a solution for that. Boom. Okay, and this one says graph y is greater than -8. So, drawing a number line, sorry it's so crooked, but here's 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so here is -8, and y is greater than that. So it's not equal to, so open circle, and so y can be anything greater than that. Hold on, I'll do it in a different color, just to reiterate. Okay. Graph the inequality on a number line. So I'm going to just do 2 of them, and you can do the other 2, okay? Please do the other 2 because it'll give you more practice. But here is 0, and here is -1. And it says x is less than -1, and there's no equal to, so it's going to be open circle, and x can be anything less than -1. Okay, and then for this one, we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then z can be anything, can be anything greater than or equal to. So I'm going to fill in my circle, and boom. Okay, and then please do these 2. But that's all we have today. Yay, we finished, and I feel like we finished quickly. So you should be happy, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.